guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mansi, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create winged eyeliner. I will be also showing you how to create liner with the help of revolving eye pencils, and also I will be showing you how to create smudge proof lower liner, and also I will be showing you how to use gel eyeliners. So yes, if you struggle with eyeliners, then this is a perfect video for you. So yes, please keep on watching. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It's just a red button down there, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on my social media like Instagram and Facebook. All the links and all the details of all the products will be in the description box, so do check it out guys. I usually link all the buying links as well. So yes, let's get into the tutorial. The first look is creating a matte winged eyeliner, and I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner with this. I'll be removing the excess product in the tube. I will be resting my pinky on my cheeks like this. I will be putting my mirror a little bit down. First, I will be creating the line starting from this center. Guys, you want to create very small dots and join them simultaneously. Do not hurry in this step. Once I'm happy with the basic line, I'm just thickening the line even more. I'm not dipping my brush again in the tube. I'm using the same product. As you can see, I'm thickening the wing slightly, and I'm not hurrying as I am going. I've included all the clips which I feel was necessary to make you understand. If you don't like the winged eyeliner, you can leave the eyeliner just like that. It also looks very pretty. Now I'm just imagining a line going upwards on my lower lash line, and I'm just creating a wing, thinking that this line is extending my lower lash line, as you can see, and then I'm joining the wing with the basic line we created. Then I'm filling the triangle, and this way we will make very less mistakes. Guys, also to mention again, I'm not dipping my brush again. Once I'm happy with the initial wing, I will just elongate the wing as I like, and I'm stretching it and also thickening my line even more, as you can see. I'm joining the inner corners from the outer corners, but I'm keeping the inner corners very thin. This is the complete wing, guys. To sharpen up my wing even more, I will use a concealer with this brush, and this way my wing will stand out even more. I don't do it every time, but on special occasions I like to do it with the help of a concealer. Now for the next look, I am taking the Faces Magnetized Eye Kajal. This is a revolving pencil. I'm just creating small dots from outer to innerwards, and this way I will make sure that my inner corner is not too thick. If you don't feel comfortable doing it like this, you can just stretch out your eyes a little bit, and this way it will be very easy to create a smooth line. But I don't usually stretch out my eyes because it gets wrinkly. Now I'm joining my inner corner to the middle half of the eyes. Take time doing your eyeliners guys, because you can never go back, but you can always add in. Once I'm happy with the thickness, I will just thicken the line even more, and I usually don't like to get it too thick. As you can see, I'm showing you how you can stretch it and do it easily. Now I'm tightlining my upper lash line, and this way my eyes will look even more big and it will look more fuller. See what a difference it makes? I will just do it on the other eyes as well. Now I will show you how to fill your kajal and make it smudge proof. I'm just creating a very thin line, and I'm putting the kajal in my lash line. I'm not bringing it too downwards, I'm just basically filling it like this. As you can see, if you like thin line, then this is a perfect way. I'm using a black eyeshadow. You can use any brown eyeshadow or a compact powder. Dabbing the brown eyeshadow on the kajal will make sure the kajal mattifies and doesn't move, because the kajal is made up of slippery material, so it will stay put like this. Now for the next look, I'm using the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. I'm using a back of a brush. You can also use an earbud for this. I'm just dipping my brush into the gel eyeliner, and I'm very messily filling it in my lower lash line, as you can see, because we want a very thick lower lash line kajal, and this way it's very perfect and looks very precise. You can use a cotton pad like this if you don't have a brush. I'm using the black eyeshadow, and with this brush I'm just smudging the gel eyeliner, and this way my liner will not move throughout the day, and this is a perfect look for any weddings or any parties, and usually also if you like a very thick kajal. So that's it for the look, guys. If you like my tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.